USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. You can join a free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers and the prop firm. Sign up with these brokers if you want to trade with them signals in the future. So I don't want you to mix anything. If you are going to trade with my signals, only trade in these brokers in the future. So connect with the Telegram where I can send you the updates. Now coming back to the chart, starting with the top-down approach with weekly time frame. So today is the last day of the week, I guess. Okay, so what do we have in weekly? In weekly, we have the continuation of the uptrend. Okay, so it seems easy to say that, oh, it's an uptrend pullback that's gonna go up, but in between you have to remember it's the data of 5 previous days or of the last 1 week. Okay, so yes, I'm saying in weekly it's an uptrend, up, pullback, then going up again, but in between you might end up losing all of your money. Okay, but yes, we are trying to go up in weekly now because we have not made the new low. So this candle did not break the previous low, so we are going up now because you can see the previous week's candle was blue in weekly. Coming back to daily, what do we have in daily? We are still below the EMA, but we have not broken this previous low. Okay, so if I use my line right here, you can see there you go. So any of these red candles did not break the previous low, so we are going up. So now we have to look for longs, but for that we have to go into 4 hour for the entry. So let's go back to 4 hour. In 4 hour we can see that we are overbought right now, so we continued the uptrend from here. So this was the end of the downtrend. Then now we are going up. In 4 hour we are closing above the EMA. It will be a bad time to enter the trade right now. So I think you will not have any opportunity in USDJPY today because it has to take a pullback today. And after the pullback, then wait for the blue confirmation candle and then go long on Monday maybe. Okay, so keep an eye on this trend. Use your fib levels from here till here and then wait for the pullback. After the pullback, a blue confirmation candle and then go long. That's USDJPY trade for you. So that's it. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, sign up with the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.